What's up guys, it's Jenny with Extreme Powerhouse and I'm so excited to announce this new project that we have coming for you. We're going to be launching a YouTube channel that's going to consist of videos that are going to show you some product comparisons. We're going to tell you about the pros and cons, the price differences, what to expect from the products so that you can make the best decision for your car. We're also going to cover some car builds where we get to interview owners and really dig deep and find out what the production time took for their mod on their cars, what the cost was, and basically any advice that they have on new users looking to mod their cars. We are also going to be doing product comparisons. So we're going to put two products together that most users tend to compare on their own anyways and really break down what the differences is and what you expect to gain from each one. The price differences and also our honest opinion on which one we think is better. We also have some interviews lined up with leading aftermarket brands to talk to you guys about their current catalog and what new product releases they have coming out. So if you're as excited as I am for this, make sure you subscribe, go ahead and like this video. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know if there's any certain product comparisons you want us to start with, and I'll see you in our next video.